You just cracked your neck, but did you also risk paralysis? One wrong move, and snap! That's what some people say. But is this terrifying myth actually true? When you crack your neck, you're not breaking bones. You're releasing gas bubbles from your joints. That pop? Totally natural. But here's the real danger. Aggressive twisting or frequent cracking can damage arteries. In rare cases, this leads to strokes, not paralysis. So, can cracking your neck paralyze you? Not directly, but repeated violent neck cracks? That's like playing Jenga with your spine. Stretch gently. See a pro. And remember, your neck isn't a glow stick. Do you crack your neck daily? Comment below. Myth. Partially busted. More myths that mess with your mind. Subscribe or stay stiff.